Well, Tommy, you've been waiting and waiting, and it's arrived today, and I'm not going to show that. So
can't see it. It's too blurry.
So it's arrived. So I haven't looked. So it's a complete surprise for me. And then I said I'd do a video of it, which I will put up very, very soon. So let's go. Okay, I'll open up this separately. I know there was an extra special surprise in here for me, so I'm thinking this might be that little surprise, Tommy. And what have we got? Oh, okay. Jack says cruelty-free for all animals. Jack also says just hanging out. Wow, Tommy. Wow, thank you, doll. That is just amazing. Oh, Jack's gonna love that. He really is gonna love that. That is so good. Thank you, sweetie. Yep, I can see Jack. Absolutely. Well done. Wow. And, oh, I can tell who this is. I can already tell who this one is. This is Lily. And Lily says, slithering on the sunshine. To my really good friend, gotta love carpet pythons. From your friend, Tommy Lovett. Wow, now this is Lil. This is Lil out enjoying the sunshine and on that grass. Tommy, you know Lily so well. She loves being outside, so this is so appropriate to my Lily's personality, I tell you. And when she's out and about, I'll show her that painting of hers. That is wonderful, Tommy. Thank you. Thank you so much, doll. They're great. They're really, really great. Now, this little extra surprise, I wonder what it is. Said I was going to love it. So far, I've loved everything. So I don't think this will disappoint me at all. Let's go. Oh, okay. Mystifying Oracle Ouija. Oh, and a sign. Wow, that's great, Tommy. Thank you. I'll put that up. That's fantastic. Wow, that is a special surprise because I know that's your passion. I know that's what you are into and enjoy, even though I know you would not touch them, but that whole thing absolutely fascinates you. So, and it does me, Tommy, equally. So it's a little bit of who you are, along with your pictures in my home. So that's really great. I said I've never watched this movie, and she's told me it's a really, really good one. Hang on, to my really great friend Gay Feather, from your great friend Tommy Lovett. I hope you enjoy your goodie. I'm going to, Tommy, and I'm going to be watching this. You've told me about it. I said I haven't seen it. You said it's absolutely fantastic. I'm looking forward to it, and I'll be sitting and watching it. So thank you so much for that. Like, wow, you are. And there's more. Ouija Mystifying Mints packet. Wow, that's great. That's really good. Thank you. 2 matching. Don't you worry. I'll use one to keep my cards, my SD cards and stuff in, and I can use one to keep my batteries in. So 2 little safe compartments to keep some things in. That's great. I love all these sorts of things. Tommy, you are just the most beautiful person. Honestly, I am spoilt rotten with the people that watch my channel. Just watching it is enough for me. But the fact that you go out of your way to do this as well. And Tommy, it cost you a fortune, sweetie, to send this, because this wasn't a very light package that Tommy sent me. Because even though these are light, and Tommy, these would have been, you know, enough. That's your passion, and you know, I mean, I love watching all those videos about all this sort of stuff. Freaks me out a little, but I watch it and I enjoy those sorts of movies. These are done on wood, and these weigh a ton. So, you know, bless you, hun. Honestly, that is just sweet. And gosh, this is Lily and Jack. Really good pictures. So, thanks, Tommy. And I'll get this video up soon. Bye. Well, somehow, I think that Lily wants to come out and join me tonight. But I do have, of course, Jessie is, hang on, whoa, well, I climb up here. He's up here. Where you do? I see you, dude. I can see you. Is that good up there? Hey? Be nice and warm actually there, because this is where the heat panel is for my girl Tessa, who's in the hide there. And of course Jessie has realised, okay, you can climb up here. So he's checking things out, because he's got his tail wrapped there around that branch. So he's quite comfortable exploring up there, which, okay, he can stay up there while I attend to my girl, who of course will also probably want to head on up there too. So there might be a fight for that. Well, not a fight as in a fight, guys, definitely not a fight, but who's going to win the spots, basically. So yeah, grip onto something messy while I she's thinking I'm going in the wrong direction. You open up the door and I've headed in the other direction, Mum. So she'll very quickly, of course, turn herself around. I can see it coming already. Watch your silly face. Hello? Hello to you. How you doing? How you doing? Hey? You coming out to say hello? What's new? Hey? What's new? Wow. The gang's all here. Well, in terms of the jungles, the gang's all here. Hey, Lil. What do you think? I knew you'd be out. How did I know you would be out tonight? You weren't out today, were you? You were just sleeping today. So no, she didn't want to come out today at all. She was just happy to stay in her home. But yeah, it's evening, so that means it's time to come out and have a little bit of time out. So it's how it works in this house. It's the days can be restful, and the evenings can be full of life with my snakes, although you know that is not always the case. Some of the time Lily likes to come out during the day. She's just right, I remember that's different up there to what it was a couple of days ago. Lily has been up there, explored, checked everything out, haven't you? Hey? Realised there was something so different, and she went in between that enclosure and Jack's enclosure, Tessa's and Jack's, explored all in there, was having a great old time, weren't you? Yeah, Jesse's out. He's already been up there tonight. Are you going home? Impossible. You go home, you've just come out. That'd be a first if Lily decided that she was just going to go back in there. Lily doesn't do that at all, do you, Lil? You're out, you're out. And Jessie is, I don't know. What are you doing, Jessie? Where are you going to head now? If you can see him just hanging there. Happy? Chappy? Rubbing his nose. Or what? He's just laying there, looking at everything. So, you're not moving very far, are you, Lil? Hey? Can you sense Jesse's out? By some chance? Well, he's going to make sure that you can smell him. He's rubbing his face over everything up there. I'll just go a little bit closer so you can see him. How you doing, dude? Oh, I nearly fell then. How you doing, dude? Having fun? Lily's coming. She is. Kind of. You just see the difference in Lil. Just less of the yellow. You know, those actual markings. I'll try and sort of hold her, and then we'll go up to Jessie, or maybe you'll see them together as such. She says, hang on, there's another dude. Jessie says, hang on a minute, who's this? He's heading for the hills. Lily could care less about Jessie. So, okay, well, I think ultimately it would be Lily who wins the hangout spot in the end. She would just push Jessie out of the area. Well, Jessie would go, I think, more than anything. But Oh, he's alright. He's just sort of hanging there now. Let Lily move along. But you know, he's still got a bit of growing to do to be, of course, Lily's size, but yeah, he's not that little boy anymore either. So there you go. You know, just the two of them out tonight having an explore. And Jess says, "Oh, I'm coming down, okay? I'm going to keep coming down." You can see him there. And Lily's just doing her exploring. I'm in the, yeah, in between, and you wouldn't be able to see because it's just too dark in between those gaps there. Completely dark between those gaps. But she's coming out the other side, and I've actually put this here because I know my Lily and I know what she does, and what she will do is she'll make her way totally to this hangout spot, hence why it's already there and ready to go for her. She's not stupid at all, Lily. She knows her way around. She knows this is where to go. I'm just trying to swing the light. You're right, sweetie. My cat just wants to go outside. Here, dog. Oh, I'll just let her know it's there. So I don't want you leaning on that because you'll here. Come down here. You right? Here it is. There you go. You cool now? You cool? Like I said, snakes are not stupid. They know. Lily knows that she can go from there down to this hangout spot, and she'll make her way over here. And a lot of the time, if I don't have it here, she just sits there, waits for me to actually bring it over, and then she clambers onto it like, "All right, okay, thanks very much. It's you finally remembered. Bring the jungle gym." So I already had that there for Lily, waiting for her. So yeah, I'm getting better at remembering. You know, it's later at night and I'm starting to wind down. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that, and Jesse's going to make his way back wherever he wants to go, and Lily's making her way here. Are you not? What are you doing? Alright guys, you take care of yourself.